How to hide message request on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide message request on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on your mobile device. This is applicable for both iOS or Android devices. So make sure to log into your Instagram account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now choose the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. From the settings and activity page, scroll down. Now locate the option of hidden words which is under how others can interact with you and choose continue button. On the section you will see hide message request option. Simply, in order to hide the message request on Instagram, make sure to toggle the button on. If it is toggle off, toggle it on, and then message requests that may be offensive, spam or scams will be moved to the hidden request folder and then it will be hidden from your Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.